Hello again. In the last video, I proposed a definition of what qualitative data is. In this video, we're going to look at the first condition of that definition, that the items have to be in non-numerical form. We're also going to talk a little bit about the power of non-numerical data. Let's begin by considering a calculator and a cell phone. Both are technological wonders. Both ultimately run on a computer language of ones and zeros. But which one of these items do you use most often? For me, it's clearly the cell phone. One of the advantages a cell phone has is that it produces non-numerical data. And it's this type of data that allows it to run many of the applications a calculator just can't. We can talk and text on our phones. We can record videos. We can play games even. There's an old saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. I'd also say that the essence of many pictures can't be captured even with an infinity of numbers. The easiest way to distinguish qualitative and quantitative data is that quantitative data is in numerical form and qualitative data is not. It's the most visible difference between the two types of data. Just look to see if the data is reported in numbers or not. If it is presented in numbers, it's not qualitative data. Being in non-numerical form has profound implications for how we analyze and work with the data. We cannot calculate averages or run statistical tests with non-numerical data. Numerical data certainly has advantages in many research situations. But collecting numerical data greatly restricts the information respondents can give. For example, consider the range and depth of responses you could give to the following two questions. The first is a numerical response. On a scale from 1 to 10, rate your experience with this video. The second is a non-numerical response. Describe your experience with this video. The power of qualitative data derives from the level of information and detail that can be provided through non-numerical formats. Think of the advantages of your cell phone over your calculator, or the richness of information that can come from a good conversation with someone. The use of non-numerical forms of data opens a new world of research possibilities. You could not give a detailed conceptual description of a case study with numerical data. You could not meaningfully describe the significance someone gives to a topic or their experience of an event only with numbers. My first condition, then, for an item or object to be qualitative data is that it's in non-numerical form. In the next video, we'll look at the second condition of my definition, that it's an object or item that arises from human action.